Hi, this is Jamie Moore, your Library Media Specialist at Dover High School. I'm going to show you the Topic Finder tool in UD Live. This tool will help you find subtopics within a broader topic to help focus your research questions. It will also show you articles that relate to that topic. The first step that you need to do is go to the Dover High School website. From here, you go to Departments, DHS Library, and then you can click on UD Live Search on the left-hand side. From here, you just scroll down to find Expanded Academic ASAP. This is one of the databases within UD Live. And here you will find Topic Finder. I click on here, and then I can type in any topic. So if I was thinking I wanted to do my topic on global warming, but I wasn't necessarily sure the specifics about it, I would type that in. And then if I look here, it shows a lot of different subtopics within that. I can also go to the wheel to find, I prefer this view, because it has the subtopics with even more specific subtopics related to that. So I can go ahead and click on one of these, and it shows the results, so the search results on the right-hand side. I can click on even more specific subcategories to find even more specific articles on that topic. So they come along here, and I can just click on one of these and review them. So that's how you use Topic Finder. I hope that it's helpful for you. Thank you.